In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add subscribe button on a short video. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. To do that, guys, I'm gonna use CapCut application. So if you haven't this app installed on your iPhone, first off you need to head over to the App Store and then search for CapCut and then install that app. Once it is done, just open it up. Hit right here to create new project. That will open up your camera roll. Here make sure Videos tab is selected. And then scroll down until you find a video, then select it and hit add. Now guys, we are taken to this video editor where we can drag this video timeline to select the exact position where we would like to put our subscribe button. I prefer to put button near the end of the video. All we have to do in order to put a button here is just hit right here at text, then select add text. Here enter subscribe, and once it is done, tap right here at styles, then go to background, select any of these options, hit right here at this circle, and now I'm gonna make it red in this way. Once it is done, hit at this check mark, then in this way we can scale it. After that we can move it around, we can place it anywhere within the frame of our video, just like that. Once it is done, just hit right here at this check mark. As you can see, this new row appeared here, and we can, by dragging the start and the end of this video, change its duration and also control the start and end time for our button. Then to save this video to your camera roll, tap right here. Now the video is being exported, and once it is done, it will appear at our camera roll. All we have to do is just wait for it until it's done. And then if we go to Photos app, that's where we can find our video, and somewhere towards the end of this video we'll find that subscribe button. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.